Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some beautiful lapis dangle earrings. To get started making our beautiful lapis earrings, you're going to need some lapis cylinders, and these are about 8 by 13 millimeters. You're also going to need some stainless steel chain, and I cut this 22 millimeters, so I have 2 of these. I have some stainless steel lever backs, some head pins, and these are 3 inches. And I also have memory wire cutters that I use to cut my chain. I have chain nose pliers and round nose pliers. These earrings are really easy to put together. I'm going to use my head pin and go right through my cylinders, my barrels. Then I'm going to use my chain nose pliers, and holding it at the top, I'm going to bend the wire to the back. Like that. I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers and pinch it down right at the crease. I'm going to bring my wire up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back, and then I'm going to straighten out my pliers. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Pinch it down at the crease, come up, over, down, rotate, bring my wire to the back, and straighten out my wire. I have a loop on the top. What I'm going to do is slide my chain through it, making sure that it comes into the loop like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap around, pinching down my loop. I'm going to use my flat pliers and wire wrap around. I'm going to cut off the excess and pinch down my burr. So I've got a nice wire wrap loop holding my chain together. Now I'm going to do the same for this one. I'm going to pinch my loop down and open the door just slightly so I can slide my chain down and it goes right into my loop. Like that. And I'm going to pinch the loop down using my flat pliers. I'm going to come around and wire wrap around. Then I'm going to cut off the excess. And then pinch down my burr. I'm going to open up my lever back by twisting, sliding it on, and twisting it back closed. Same for the other side. Twist it open, hang on my chain, and twist it closed. And there you have your beautiful lapis dangle earrings. So pretty and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.